Today I'm reviewing this Acne Scar Cream. It's available on Amazon.com by New York Biology in a 1.7 full ounce container for $19.95. And here it is right here. You can see that. It might be hard to see. They have really shiny, fancy containers. But here you go. Take the top off, nice and sturdy. And you can see there's a little hole right there where you press down and the cream will come out of the hole. But you can also remove it. So you can see the cream right there inside. Once you get a little further down, you can just take the top right off and get out whatever you need. A little of this really goes a long way. You can see right here. Not greasy, not oily. It absorbs right into my skin. I have used a lot of products from New York Biology, and I love everything that I've used from them so far. This one is no exception. It's really great for diminishing acne scars and other scars as well. I've been using it for a few weeks, and I have been seeing results as far as my scars lightening up. I've had adult acne my entire adult life. So it's been about, I don't want to tell you my age, but yeah, it's been about 20 years of me suffering from acne and acne scars. And the 2 weeks that I've been using this, I'm already seeing results. I'm really liking what I'm seeing. So I know that if I continue to use it, it's just going to get better. They have a really great product. There really is no scent on this, which is good because I have sensitive skin. And I know for a lot of people with sensitive skin, when things have fragrance in them, it can irritate you. But it really doesn't have anything in it that is too concerning for me because I haven't had any reactions such as burning, irritation, rash, nothing like that. So that's really good. But I absolutely love this product. Like I said, it's available on Amazon.com for only $19.95, and you really are getting a lot of product in this container. If you're interested in learning more about this, if you'd like to purchase your own, please check out the links that I provide below. It will lead you straight to Amazon.com, where you can look at some other great reviews, a lot of good things being said about this product. So thank you for watching.